Hello and welcome to the Shilpa Shetty channel, and this is the art of loving food. It's New Year, guys! Happy New Year to all of you, and I'm sure that the party is over by now और hangover भी उतर गया होगा. बहुत सारे resolutions बनाकर तोड़े भी गए होंगे, but let's stick to our channel philosophy of स्वस्थ रहो, मस्त रहो, and on that note, let's kickstart 2019 with a vegan Thai salad. इसमें हम use करेंगे आज tofu and peanut butter, which are great sources of protein. Salads are actually my way of including raw in my diet, and they're great if you've decided to do some mindful eating. So शुरू करें? So today we're using some nice firm tofu, okay? और इसे मैंने बहुत ही पतला काटा हुआ है, if you see, ठीक है? So this is around 150 grams. अब हम इसे saute करेंगे थोड़ा सा. Put the gas on. We'll just dust it with some rice powder. Around a tablespoon. Some pepper. Add some salt. I prefer using sea salt. Just mix it all in. Coat every piece. We'll add in a tablespoon and a half of sesame oil. The oil is hot. Put in your tofu. जब ये हो जाए, my trick is I always fold a paper towel and I take it out so all the excess oil comes out. Okay, it's ready. So just take it out. Just right. See? All the excess oil is absorbed by the tissue. Fab. Keep that aside. अब उसी पैन में हम अपने वेजीज को stir fry करेंगे. Just a bit of the sesame oil. We add in the chopped spring onions, around 2. Teaspoon of ginger paste. Teaspoon of garlic. 1 red chili that is de-seeded. Add in the capsicum, just half a capsicum diced. The blanched carrots. The peas. You add in the spring onion greens. We're going to add in the baby spinach leaves now. Just cut it into half. I really don't want you to cook it too much. So at this point, you can switch the gas off and add a bit of salt to this. Very little. And just keep it aside. Now we go on to the dressing. We take unsalted, unsweetened peanut butter. If you want to use almond butter, it's great, but because it's a Thai-inspired salad, I prefer peanut butter. A tablespoon and a half. We add in some ginger paste. Because this is a vegan salad, we're not using honey, we're using maple syrup. A teaspoon and a half. I prefer using tamari sauce, but if you don't have tamari sauce, you can use soya sauce. Just mix it all in. Now we add in the coconut milk, half a cup. Just whisk it all in. Now you add in the rice vinegar, just half a teaspoon, half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Just add in the remaining chilies into this, some pepper, some salt, quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper, whisk it all in. Now we add in our coriander, and our salad dressing is ready. I'm using some lettuce. That's done. Now we add in our veggies. We add in our tofu. Just mix it all in. We just put it on a plate. You just drizzle your salad dressing. Add some of the toasted sesame seeds over it. Oh, these sesame seeds on this salad make it look so pretty, like a drizzle of snow on a beautiful landscape. Now I feel like an artist, which I am. Do try this vegan Thai salad in your kitchen and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. तब तक के लिए स्वस्थ रहो, मस्त रहो.